Hi to class 9 children. Let us learn about the next lesson of politics. That is, we are going to study more in detail about the working of various institutions. And remember, when we are saying this word institution, we are referring to as administrative institutions. Okay. In administrative institutions, you should know that we are including the various organs of government, and also we are including the parliament. Okay, parliament, when we are saying about the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. When we are talking about the organs, we are referring to as legislature, executive and judiciary. Okay. And the main objective of learning this lesson is that we are actually trying to make you realize what is the importance of parliament, what is the role of parliament in our democracy. And then we are also going to study about the functions of the President of India, what is the role of the President of India, what is the role of the Prime Minister of our country. And not only that, you will also be sensitized about what is the role of the various council of ministers in our country. You do have to take interest regarding the decision making, the policy making of the parliament, of the different the organs, as well as the council of ministers. Okay. Now, so in a democratic government, we very well know that the decision making, that is the decision making power, is being divided among the three different organs of the government. Remember, there is a lot of difference between organs and levels. When we are saying about levels, we are talking about the central government, the state government and the local government. Now, when we are in this lesson, we are going to focus on the various organs of the government, that is the legislature. Now, what is this legislature? In one sentence, I'll tell you. Legislature means what? It is a law-making body. Okay. Now, when we are talking about the executive, what is the role of the executive? The executive tries to implement the laws which are made by this law-making body, that is the legislature. And the third organs to tell you is about the judiciary. What is the role of the judiciary? The judiciary goes about punishing the people who don't abide by the laws. Now, judiciary, it keeps the people aware that you have to stick on to the various rules and regulations which are specified in the written document of our country, that is the constitution. So we are going to discuss in detail about the different organs of the government. We'll be discussing in detail what is the role of the president of our country, what is the role of the prime minister, what is the role of the various council of ministers, and also you will be told a lot about the decision making of our government. So it is a parliament that does, that makes in, all these discussions are being discussed in the parliament. Only then that bill becomes a law. Okay, thanks for listening to me. Rest. I'll resume in the second module.